See, this will be a e-commerce store for the mobile, laptops, and the iPads.
Yeah, obviously. If we build for your website, it will definitely e-commerce for every device, like laptop, desktop, mobile, tablet, every device.
Let's say if am selling 13 Pro Max, there are three categories for 13 Pro Max. First is 128 GB, then there is 128 GB. There is three categories: good, excellent, very good. So similar like that, price also can be changed. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, it's
You
possible.
understand?
বেসিক্যালি প্রিন্স ভাই, আপনি হচ্ছে ক্লায়েন্টের সাইটটা কি দেখছিলেন? ওনার কিসের উপরে বেসিক্যালি ওনার সাইটটা? না, মানে কোন ক্যাটাগরির উপরে উনি করতে যাচ্ছে মানে সাইটটা? ওটা হচ্ছে কি ইসে মানে মোবাইল অ্যাক্সেসরিজ, মোবাইল সেল করবে এরকম টাইপের কিছু নাকি? Mobile accessories. So basically, you want to sell through your website like mobile accessories, mobiles, this kind of thing, right?
Yes, not basic mobile accessories. This will be the refurbished mobile
Refurbished mobile.
laptops.
Okay, got it. So how you
That's
handle
why
it? মানে basically,
I'm the supplier. I I'm the supplier for this Revive website. I'm providing them the stock, but I want to create for mine. You check everything. Go through the website I gave you. Check each and everything, and come back to me that you make similar like that. And do you have a theme for this website?
yeah, my partner already seen everything and tell me the partial things, and I understand everything. So assure assure you
I
everything.
want, yeah, what I want you to check each and everything. Come back because I don't want any mistake between us. So there will be no issue, and I don't want when we if you go ahead, then it will be a problem. Then I don't like something like that. So please check each and everything. Then you come back to me that you confident you can make it. Then I will do this work.
Okay, so that's better. That's better thought. So if you give us like 2 hours, so we can audit your website, which you shared with us. We audit every single task. Then we can meet again, and that would be better if we meet on Google Meet and share some everything. The reference site, that would be better to understand each other.
Right. I don't want to confuse you in many things. I give you only the example. One side I want similar like that. I want you to include the social media icons. I want you to include the payment gateways, SOE, and responsive design. I need similar like that. I similar like that I need from you.
Okay, so I can ensure you something for now. Uh, the website for e-commerce for social icons, social links created, and payment gateway integrations. And if you want to sell refurbished mobiles, refurbished laptop, refurbished devices, any kind of thing. So it's not a big thing to us to develop this kind of thing. But for the correction, I have to check your
Yeah.
requirement clearly. That would be better. Any kind of requirement we
Yes.
can build, but just for the surety we have to check everything in clearly, which is said.
Yes. See, I want the website with the animation, and I want the premium theme, and also I want with the domain because your assistant or I don't know, she told me this price is included, domain and hosting, everything is included. So check what domain you are. Pro- I will give you my license name and check me what is the domain. I want .ae because this is UAE based website. I want the domain AE
Okay,
dot
got
A.
it.
Okay.
First of all, I have to say he is my partner, Prince Mahmood. He is my partner, and he's also developer, and I'm also developer, and we are working from last 10 years. So we have lots of experience to build this kind of websites. This is not a big deal, but uh, for your perspective, yeah, we can manage your domain name and suggest you. Which you like we shared you 10 to
I I want the domain very short, like I give you revive. It's very short. Anyone can remember. Don't want very big name. I
Okay,
want the very short.
but
Sorry.
we have to check that short name are available. Sometimes the short
Yeah.
name are purchases by different type of companies, and they are selling in big price. Basically, domain pricing are basically starting from $15. So we have to check the short name. If the short names are available, then we can purchase it. And if the short names are not
No,
available, then we have to include something with your domain. That would be better. But we will discuss
so
with this.
that's why I'm again telling you I want the domain in .com or .ae. .com or .ae because then only people will trust on the website. Otherwise, they will not purchase. They will say think that this website is fake or something like that. So I want to make that.
I think if you share your license name, that would be better for us. So we can research your domain names based on .ae. That would be better for us. And also, we will suggest some similar type of names, and you will pick any of them. That would be better.
Yeah, but I am again telling I want the. I don't want the very big name of the website. So it's very hard to people to keep in mind or it's hard to. So that's why I'm telling you. I will give you the license name. So
Sure, sure.
it,
Please give us the license name, and we will research
yeah,
and share to you.
you come all the details I share with you. Then we can move ahead and we can decide. Okay, but
Okay.
the most important thing, I want the similar website. We can change the color. We can change the our. We can choose our theme color. But you have to give me the premium theme. You have this theme, right? The one I
Yeah.
gave you.
Do you want custom made website like no we will build our theme or design from our end, or any kind of theme you want from us?
I just want
Which you suggest?
I just want the website similar like that I gave you. That's it.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. One thing.
So
Another thing.
one thing I have to say must that you don't have any worry about in your website. I will build or we will build anything, any kind of critical task, any kind of functionality which you want, we can build. That's for sure.
No, I'm telling you very clearly. I don't want after some time there will be restriction from the Google or Meta that this is misrepresentation or something like that. So I don't want any restriction. Maybe you can build the website, but after sometimes maybe Google will have some problems. So I want you to handle this website in going forward as well. And also I want you to handle the social media pages like LinkedIn, X, and Facebook and Insta. I have a ongoing plan as well, like social
Okay,
media
that's good. But
marketing.
same one thing. Basically, if we build your website, so our build your website, that would not happen in critical error or critical issue or harm type anything in Google. But if you include any copyright content in your website, that would be harm for your website. That's for sure. So for the critical issue, if we
I'm
build your
telling
website,
you, see, I'm telling you, I'm the supplier of this Revive, okay, and I'm
okay,
selling the
okay, okay.
same item. So it's mean if there is no restriction, there is no problem in his website, then I should not have the same problem because I'm the supplier of Revive.
Okay. Got it. That's cool.
Okay, I'll be selling the refurbished mobile. I will be selling the refurbished mobile and refurbished laptops and refurbished iPads and tablets. Three categories only.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
very important because my one of my friend had a restriction from Google. He lost his website because Google didn't allow him. So I don't want this problem again. I don't want I invest something and then again there will be blockage from Google or Meta.
Okay. Yeah, that's thing I said. Which is the content only is depending on the harmful things. Okay.
Yeah, so
So So
The
you can check also a Dazzle website, which we built for Bangladesh. You can check like similar type of mobile accessories, devices, this kind of thing. So you can check. But the thing is, if your website is harm or any kind of website got harm for only for the content, so we focus on the content. We don't want any kind of copyright content which already used someone, so that would be a harmful thing for Google. So that's part we have to make sure we don't use any kind of copyright content from Google. That would be better for your website and better for your website health.
Okay, man. I give you the brief. Now you work on the details and come back to me, and
Okay,
then I
sure,
will
sure.
see. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, then we will come back in 2 hours. In 2 hours, we'll
Okay.
research your requirement clearly, and then we will get back again in Google Meet, and then we will share. So skin share and provide you something that we have to. Sorry, you have to know. So okay,
Okay. Fine.
give us 2 hours. So we will audit your reference website.
Yes. Also check their payment gateways and everything. Check how they manage.
Okay,
So
okay, sure,
they will.
sure,
Okay.
sure, sure. Okay, okay,
Okay.
bro.
Thank
Thanks for the time. We'll get back in
you.
2 hours.
What's your name?
My name is Mamun.
Mamun. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I have many from Bangladesh, and one of friend have Mamun here in Dubai. They also
Okay,
from
okay.
the same field with them.
Yeah, that's
So
that's the name is that the name is very common. Most of them
yeah,
people are using the name, so that's why.
so that's why I posted because I have many friends from Bangladesh. I'm working with
Yeah.
them. They are so providing me the mobile phone. They are selling to me. So that's why I posted in Bangladesh group. So that I like their work and I trust them. That's why. So
Okay.
please
Thanks.
come.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks for that. I think we can give you 100% assurity. Then you will 100% satisfied us from our work.
Yeah, as I told you, next task will be you guys will be managing my social media pages like LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Insta. You will be
Yeah. Sure.
posting
Sure.
doing that. So please consider this as well because the more business is coming to you.
Okay. Thanks for the offer. And we will handle your social media platform, everything through ads, everything we will handle. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
First of all, I have to check your website, which you shared, like a reference website. Then I will come back you in 2 hours.
Yeah. Also, Mamun, when you are coming back to me in 2 hours, what's important for that you to handle the social media pages, and you will come back to me and tell me how many orders you can generate per day in day. Like let's say if I'm telling you I want 5 orders per day, so you will tell me you have to do this much to get the 5 orders per day.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay. So please come
Yeah.
back to me with this as well. So I need two plans, confirmation of this website, and the other thing is the order confirmation. 5 orders minimum I need per day. So how much spend I have to make, or how much budget I should.
Okay, bro. Sure,
Okay.
sure. Okay, okay, sure.
You do the research. I will research that in UAE who is spending and how much, how many.
Okay, so let's clarification everything. Then we will come back in 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
From our end, we have to check, and then we will come back again in 2 hours. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bro. Thanks for your time. We'll get
Welcome.
back you in 2 hours. Okay, bro. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Islam.